So today we're going to be looking at a roller coaster to compare gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy. Remember, gravitational energy depends on two things, the mass of an object and its elevation or height off a certain point. In this case, that's going to be at the top of this hill. This roller coaster doesn't have a motor that makes the cars travel anywhere. It's actually brought to the top. The work is done by this chain drive that it latches onto, and it brings up the cars all the way to the very top where it has its greatest possible elevation for this roller coaster. So this is its maximum potential energy. There may be a point up here where it comes to a brief stop before it descends going all the way down this hill. Once it does this, that gravitational potential energy is going to be transformed into kinetic energy as it makes it travel. In this case, it's going to go down to a steep hill, then back up again into another hill. I picked this roller coaster specifically because it matches our diagram pretty well, except it's a mirror image of it. So let's play the video briefly. And it's going to go down the hill, converting its energy, but getting really fast at the bottom. But it loses kinetic energy when it goes back uphill again. When it's at the bottom, if it's at its lowest elevation, that's when it would have the least gravitational energy. But that should give you a better idea about its kinetic energy that would have had to been transformed into kinetic. As it goes back up that other hill, it's going to transform energy once again. In this case, it's going from kinetic back into gravitational potential energy. Now, it's not going to go back up to the original height that the other roller coaster really big hill was. If you look at this view, that is all the way up here. We are only going up this high, so less gravitational energy. The cars are going to be definitely going faster at this point, so that still makes sense. So you're going to be using this information to complete an additional diagram, multiple slides, where you have to estimate the gravitational energy. Remember, look at the height and the kinetic energy.